Paradigm Traders Group itself was established September 27, 2012. We have live meetings twice weekly. All the meetings are recorded and archived. Paradigm Traders Group will go on as long as there's a foundation people want to trade on. Ultimately, the purpose of the group will be to establish a hedge fund to derive income for FSC activities. There are buy-sell recommendations generated during these live meetings with exact incremented dates. This is based upon the observed phenomena of the work of Cheryl McClellan, myself, and the other traders who are in the group. These buy-sell recommendations are not part of the trading plan subscription, nor can they be, because we are not an RIA. So all the guys sitting inside Paradigm Live who built this work over a period of the year that they built it understand that they do these trades on their own. And again, as a disclaimer, the Trading Planets website is an exact duplicate of what's in the Trading Planets as in Paradigm Traders Group. You get the exact same picture we look at, the exact same price precast. Along with the Paradigm Traders Group, we also have advisory meetings that meet once a week, and developers meetings. And of course, Robin, this developers meeting will take place today. We'll go right into the Paradigm Traders Group meeting after this meeting is over. And we have set up what I'm calling an Uber company, which is FSC Paradigm. We have a boards forming for that FSC Paradigm. We have meetings that are once a week also. So there's some substantial money that's been put on the table for what you guys are getting. Somewhere around close to over $1 million at this point, between the backing, between the software development that Richard Smith put his own money up to use his team in Russia to create. And so there's some substantial people, substantial money behind what you're getting. Now let's take a look at what Paradigm did. Well, we had a gold precast back in 2012 when we first started. This was October. This was the actual price line was precasted or predicted. I use the term precast as opposed to a forecast, just to differentiate this planetary work from anything else. This is what we said we anticipated gold doing. This is the London Gold 3 p.m. fix. And the blue line is what gold did. This was October. That's December. Again, October and December. Pretty impressive. Yeah. Somewhere along the way, we all start realizing, my God, if we do a rate of change, if we do a moving average of your rate of change line, we're getting the price. I went, yeah, it looks like we are, aren't we? That's what launched Paradigm. That's what we really started getting into in Paradigm. That's what I'm after. I'm after making the blue line fit the black line, or the black line fit the blue line. Because the blue line is responding to what the black line is telling it to do. Guys, I can't say this any stronger. What you're looking at is what Dewey suspected. This is a signal. This is a live control mechanism. It does not just apply to stock. It applies to all the cycles Dewey found on the planet. It seems to apply to all of life and physics on Earth. Dewey truly stumbled into a new science. That's what we're here to develop, starting with a group of traders. Here's our showcase. All of these black lines were put in place based on data, actual price data, that ended on December 31st of 2011. We are now working with data that we created for Paradigm that is almost 2 years out of sample. And it doesn't matter because it's based on planetary position, which is precise to the end of time as far as we can tell. So here's our crude oil precast, our showcase. Here's crude oil. Here's the Dow. See how the black fits the blue? Not too shabby. Here's gold. Again, price triggered right along where it's supposed to trigger. Silver. Soybeans. And sugar.